Nasdaq's a tricky trader, beware the fall. Technical tools may help, but watch your wall. Hirami candles flicker, inversions come and go. Protect your cash, don't let it all blow. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes your cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours.
All right. Good afternoon. We here. We are here. What up, Dean? Let's see how we're looking here. ES up to the 67.15 level. Still kind of been inside this range, I guess, for the most part today. Inside this range. Hanging out here at the 820s. Looking like I might want to push. You the man, Electronic Mods. What you up to? I'm not quite sure. Let's see. I'm trying to decide something. What did ES do here? ES is kind of like, it swept back below the 99 how many times today? Oh, so many times. Yeah, held that overnight low on that last push lower. Nasdaq did as well. We're probably going to close kind of in the same zone. Looking like it wants to just continue to push up here, but maybe we look for a little pullback and then we can start to look for a spot to get long potentially. Time to say the same thing I've said hourly all day. There's yet another successful trap. No change. Further upside. 67.31 is above. And 44 above that. Yep. This thing's just pushing up. You just lost on gold. Let's see what happened to gold here. Gold still kind of trading in that wedge. Getting tighter and tighter. Tighter and tighter in that wedge there. Tighter and tighter. Let's see if this thing wants to push. I don't really know. We'll see here. Excuse me. Goodness. Jumping in quick long here on my little challenge account here. Just going to look for 5 quick points. 1 micro. like to get this account up to 50 bucks. It's at like $20 right now. So we'll do this little short scalp, and then if we can get one more 10 point in, we'll be at the $50 for the day. So I'm probably going to throw the stop in up here at like 30. Yeah, kind of like right in this area. A little bit more. I'll go ahead and put the stop in. Kind of right there at the initial balance high. I want to see it just pop through there. Next little push up, I'll put the stop in. Max whimpering already. This dog. Alright, there we go. Second winning trade on that account today. Nice push there. Let's update our stats for that account. So 6 winners, no losers so far. We'll try to get one more winning trade on that account by the end of the day if we can. I'm just trying to go for $50 a day. Nothing crazy. We're up $29 right now. So if we go one more 10-point scalp, we'll have it. What up, fish lips? What up? Yes, burst up there, tapping that 18 level. Yeah. Solo in the house. What up, Solo? Not much for me to do right here. Kind of be careful. See if we can't find some music to listen to. Guys, don't forget today is the last day for Bulanox, 90% off, 91% off. Let's not forget it. Welcome to the Power Hour party. Use code MM if you want to purchase some Bulanox accounts there. Don't show up tomorrow and be like, hey, what's 90% off? Should have got it today. So, 90% off Bulanox. What's up, Eric? 30% off the trade day. I think a lot of people are sleeping on trade day, guys. I really think you. I mean, they're very good. They're just as good as Take Private Trader, in my opinion. Some people getting hung up on the consistency rule because it's a 30% instead of a 50%, but still got to trade 5 days no matter what, right? Maxie, what are we barking at? He hasn't really barked today, and then today he's going to jump in and bark. Window dressing, yeah, probably. Pushing above initial balance here. I mean, it feels like we're going to run that 870. Don't know if I want to jump in there, though, without some sort of a pullback. Some sort of a pullback. Excuse me. I think we're going to 869, but tough to do anything up here, to be honest. I could maybe take a stab off initial balance. Kind of rejected this area earlier, though. That's kind of the last line in the sand there. Squeeze time, might be. We kind of rejected off this level earlier. It's really the only thing holding us back. I'll take a long on a pullback here. Do we squeeze above 43 here? I don't know if I want to get myself stuck in a position here. Still not closing above there. Need a little pullback into the 30s here. The 31. Again, I already kind of missed the boat for the long here, but just watching the ES here. Let's see if we get tagged in here. I'm going to jump in anyway. Can hold above 830. I'm going to look for the squeeze back up into like that 870. The only real thing holding us down here is this gap. So if we can get above there, we close above that gap. God, this is an important candle here. Need this to close above, and let's continue to squeeze. You don't really want to see rejection here. Because swept this wick here, so could reject here. Really want to see a close above that and just expand higher. In my opinion. What happened? Oh. There we go. That's a good close. I might just take 864 here. That's the high of day here. Rejecting off the 50. I will add a couple of contracts into this if it pulls back. S&D on the 1 minute. I don't know. Looks okay to me. Max is getting a little woo going. Coming into the 3 o'clock macro, power hour macro here. Criminal. Come on, squeeze it. Squeeze it. Just kind of grinding up here, right? No real big pullbacks here. Just whoop, 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 whoop. Again, I wouldn't mind adding to this, but it's got to make sense. Hanging out at this pivot for now. I'm going to add one more here just for a quick scalp. Look for a little 5-pointer. No, I'm long, Mango. We are long. Let's hold it. Yeah, move 100 points straight up. Yeah, had a little pullback, didn't we? A couple of little pullbacks, nothing crazy. Maxie, come on, man. The elephant on the TV. He's going crazy. Never wrong when you're long, you as a carpenter. That's a good saying. What up, Gus? Trying to make this money, Gus. Trying to make this money. So close to my entry there. Holding 25 GC contracts, dang. Are you long? It's pushing up, looks like, right? Oh, you're swinging them. That thing came like one tick away from my take profit. That's dirt. That's dierte. Dierte. It's the non-farm on one account, the one that people use to full part evals. On October 1st or October 1st. You can. Non-farm is a good one. You can. Non-farm payroll. You take that overnight high off there. You took profit early, clarity. That's all right. There'll be more opportunities. Todd, this is in fact a Vice Grip garage hat. One of my favorite YouTubers is Derek. I love watching those shows. I watch Goon Squad too. I actually found Derek through Goon Squad because when they went to the Cletus McFarland's thing and Derek did the burnout competition, that's where I first saw him. Not that long ago, really, maybe like 2 years ago. But yeah, Derek's doing the giveaway of that Camaro, so I entered it and purchased a hat. Let's go. Well, we got the top of the hour coming up in about 3 minutes. So we'll see if we get any top of the hour debauchery, fuckery. I don't know. What do you want to call it? I probably should move that first target up, to be honest. I think that this next candle is going to push us up into maybe like 55. I'll just move it to the high. Move it just above the high. But I think this next candle above 50 here is going to get a little burst. A burst. We got another baseball game tonight. We won our first game last night. It was only the second game of the season. What'd you do, Matty Matt? You end up messing it up? That sucks. Error, try again. On what, Trev? But yeah, we finally got our first win in last night, 13-6. I didn't pitch our best pitchers because I figured we'd beat this team pretty good, pretty easy. So I pitched our like B pitchers, but we have another game tonight. Be a little tougher game. Oh, did you? It errored you? Uh-oh, Trev. Oh. You the man. I don't even have any kind of moderation on here. I don't know why it would error you. You don't play that Schick. He doesn't play that Schick you. That Schick you. He don't play that Schick you. Top of the hour in 10 seconds. Tradeify 40% off also ends today. $50 touch may be the play. It could be. We had one since we moved up. Not really. Yeah, that could be. I personally don't think it. I don't want it to really make it back that far, but I guess it could. I'd rather it kind of hold up this area here. Oh. Let's get comfortable. Yeah, Eric, I'm still long. I'm not looking for shorts right now. Look for an end of the day squeeze. Yeah. We'll see if that works out. 9 and 21 been nice. True. Riding them up. 430 away from passing an apex eval. I don't see that happening before. Don't want to blow it after trading it for a few days now. Yeah, I guess you got to make a decision there, Clarity. Either try it or not. 430 is not that many points, but yeah, I can understand it. All right, is it going to get my target, my first target up here, or what? Try to be around for the second target, too. I hope not, Fish Lips. Yeah, probably giveaways will be back probably tomorrow. We'll reach out to the props tomorrow. Booyaka! Let's go. Go! I'm going to put the stop in here because I don't really want this to come back into the range after kind of grabbing that liquidity. We'll look to re-enter if we have to. All right. To the moon! Yeah, ES is kind of pushing there. A lot of thieves today. Do I try a bounce off the 50 EMA? I was long, take note. Oh, is it Treff? I don't know. I never know. I'm going to try this bounce at 28. Oh, come on. 4 ticks away. Are they? Oh, they're like $4. I don't know. For a mini? Is it just like $4? What is it? I don't know what it is on micros. I know on minis I thought it was like $4 round trip, like maybe $4 and some change. I don't know. Dun, dun. Really? Pretty much already bounced. Don't chase. Don't JP Morgan. Yeah, I see that, fish lips. Am I for sure? No. Nothing's for sure. No, we are never for sure. I don't like that it bounced right before I got filled. Vámonos arriba. Yes, at the highs here. They're either going to send us down or rip us higher. Let's go half on a stack. Take notes. I don't know about when to go short. Well, what's it going to be? What's it going to be? Oh. What's Financial Juice saying there, T. Cooper? Schumer sent members home. Interesting. 27, TJ. It's almost there. I think 30 might be a better level, but might get a little rejection off 30. See here. Pop's gonna make a lot of cash. Props. I don't know. You think that's gonna blow some accounts? I don't know. All right, see if we get the bounce. You know what? I'm going to be done on this account today. I'm not going to take any more on it. It's too close to close, and if I get stuck in a position, I may not be able to work out of it. So I'm going to put that one away. We'll take it on this one. So I'll still take it, but I'm going to stick to the evals. Sweep the leg, Johnny. Trying to be patient on this ad. Phone bill about 2 G's flat. We're listening to a little.
Celebrating every day, no more public housing. Thinking back on my one-room shack.
Did I get tagged in there? How's that possible? Now I'm tagged in. Yeah. Inside buy? Yeah, there is. Well, about to be. Potentially. Inside bar did print. Let's see it break back to the upside. Retest of 40 makes sense here. So what I'll do is I'll take 2 off at kind of that area there. And then we'll hold that 1 for the 65, 64 if we get it. Inside bar breaking to the downside here. Fixed PA? Might be. See if we get the push back up here. Find a bounce spot. Oh. Yes, looking a little roundy at the top there. A little roundy. Take my life away. Oh. Oh. Don't panic. Don't panic. Like I said, the retest of 340 makes sense. At least 340. Missed that inside bar, busy at work? You're all good. I'm not taking it anyway. I'm long. We're long. Rip it. You can do it. Get rid of this gap here. That's causing resistance. That gap right there was causing resistance. Whenever I try entering or closing a position, it always has a millisecond delay. If you market exit or market entry, then yeah, it's a little bit of a delay, but you could always set a limit order or hit the bid. Hit the bid. But yeah, that's normal. Depends on what platform you're using anyway. What are you using? Are you on Quad Tower or what? Break through the 21 here. We can get a little squeeze going up into the 45s potentially. ES approaching the highs. Nasdaq lagging behind here. Lagging behind. Could be my sign to get out of this trade, to be honest. ES breaks the high here and Nasdaq just doesn't go. All right, out of that one. ES above the highs. There we go, out of two. Still holding one up there. I think at 43, I'm going to throw the stop in here because I'm actually going to throw it in now. Because we can always re-enter on this if need be. We'll give it a chance to go, but I don't like what the ES is looking like here. Kind of looking like a lower high on the Nasdaq. Going to have a pretty big SMT here. I think you could short here with your stop at the high if you wanted to. Wouldn't be too crazy, but we'll see. Yeah, TJ, the thing is, though, it's like, it's still readable, right? And since we've kind of been range bound most of the day, we just kind of broke out of that this afternoon. You've been able to get out of bad positions. All right, looking like a bull flag breakout on the 5-minute now. A bull flag breakout. Might have went break even a little soon there, but that's all right. Obviously, if I'd waited for the 43, like I said. What do you guys think? Chase? Should I chase? Will I get burnt? All right, I'm going to chase it. Little chase play here. See if it works. All right. Stop to break even. See if we can hit that 64. Kind of want to see expansion above here, but ES is hitting that key level that I was talking about there. A lot of fees today, $180. That's kind of what I was expecting here, a little burst. She going. All right, so this could be an interesting spot to maybe short, but I'm still bullish. See, when I said 30, somebody mentioned shorting 27. 30, maybe a little pullback. This might push right through there, though. Wouldn't be shocked. End of the quarter. Last half hour could be a little nutty. Beware. Murder bot going to be fun. It could be today. Left. Spent like 15 minutes on Patrick Whelan shorts and posts on YouTube. I want to puke. This man done came off course, affiliate subscriptions, and a prop firm page. Yeah, he does. He's had that for a long time, though, YMM. He's had that for a long time. Do I want to? I don't know if I want to. No, he's been on this for like 7 years. 7 years. This thing's going to 69. Boom, boom, boom. It's going, guys. It's going. I'm not going to chase because do you guys remember what happens when you chase? Do you remember what happens when you chase? Just think about it. The Nasdaq says, F you. It pulls back 25 to 40 points. They'll probably have a huge sell imbalance. We'll see. I really don't know. I don't know what to think. If you chase anything, you just catch up. Not me. I usually fall down and hurt myself. There's the high. Oh, yeah. He did. Yeah, he came with it 2 years ago. You're right. Probably about 2 years ago. I don't think those guys work with him anymore. He's, they're on their own or whatever. And Q says, F, why? Yeah. I mean, I wanted to chase it there, but, you know. Never chase buses or women. They're always a next. Same applies to trades, yeah. Did I not buy it? What? I don't know. There it goes. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. All right. I'm trying to. Chase without a stop loss and everything will be okay. You could be right. You could be right. You found your edge with Hakanashi and best possible way to scalping. Let's go. Nice job. That's all you can ask. All right, let me try something here. Okay. 8, 7, 6, and 5. 535. Okay. Trying to pull up this chart here. Let's see, do it here. Five, 535. Okay, here we go. All right, looks like it's just going to rip right back through here, huh? 67 points. Kind of a tricky spot, though. Could chase it. I will try it. Oh, I don't want to. Chase it here with a little something. Should run that wick. Should run it. Oh man, I can't trade gold, YM. I can't do it. $737 next up on the ES. It's not going to get any easier, yeah. Well, I mean, I probably could conquer gold if I, like, you know, watched it, but I don't. Not a lot. I can show you vouchers. $8.95 up there. Sitting in this hourly gap now. Got 28 minutes left in the day. YM, I don't know. I mean, I like trading it. I do all right with it. It's fine. Tom, is Tom trading GC now solo some? No more. I didn't even know that. What on earth did I have been? Got a little 1 minute inversion. This is A plus if you think we're going down, but I think we're going up. 1 micro off stream. He's a beast. Oh yeah. You've been trading for 3 years and started with options. Over leverage and gambling with no mechanical trade plan. Yeah, I don't know. What up, Abyss? You're good. Holding this 9 EMA here. Maxi. Well, pushing through the 9 EMA here. Is it going to go down? Don't have a lot of room between the 9 and the 20. Yeah, looking for usually about 10 points. Just a little scalp. A little scalpy. Are we going down from this hourly gap, or are we going to push up? I don't know. Yes, back to test that 30 here. Does it hold? Why does a father need a dad bod? I don't know. I don't think they do. How does one get one? Eat a lot of food. Follow the methodical man diet. That's how you get one. Follow the methodical man diet. Oh, you're shorting one mini? Oh, I didn't say I'm going short. I said if you're bearish. I'm not bearish. Everything's going to the moon. You put in the suggestion box. Thank you. Oh. This thing's really not moving at all right here, huh? You look to go long and you double pullback candle confirmation, close that power hour in volume within the body of it. Yeah, it's kind of flagging up there right now. We'll see. We shall see. Oh, goodness. 10 minutes till the murder bot. I'll probably try to be a little careful. Maybe take some scalps, but nothing crazy. 20 minutes left in the day. There's the break lower. Here's your stop to break even if you did take the short. $50 EMA there. TJ, I don't think that government shutdown is going to matter too much if that does happen. I mean, like, it'll get a little reaction, but it's not going to be like, I don't think that's something major. We'll see. No, I didn't take the short. Take note. I'm not bearish. Although we did tap the hourly. I mean, if we invert like a 15 or a 5 minute or something, then I might change my bias, but that's quite a ways down. Actually, that grind up, there's not really anything on the 15 that would make any sense. Maybe if we invert on the 5. Maybe we pull back into the 820s, but we'll see. Anything can happen in the last 20 minutes of the day. Yeah, so low IRS will be shut down, mostly. You know. We don't get too political on it. Ugh. I mean, you could short here and your stop would have to be at the high. About 30 points. If you think we're going to sell into the end of the day, you could short right here off 852. Stop at the high. 27 points. It might be the play. It might be the play. Ugh. Oh, really? Why a minimum wage is going to go up by $1? What is minimum wage in Florida? Alexi, that's where we pretty much opened at. So probably not a bad idea. We opened yesterday at 811, what, 812, something like that. 750? Okay, yeah, I think that's what it is here. I think that's what it is here. You know what? I might try a short. Just for fun. Just for funsies. Although I don't really want to. $13 for non-tip workers and $10 for tip workers? Really? Yeah, I think it's $7.50 here still, but I could be wrong. I don't know. I haven't been at a minimum wage job in a few months. TJ, it was $4.25 when I started. $4 in a quota. And gas was 79 cents a gallon. Work 1 hour, you could put 5 gallons in that puppy. 5 gallons to get you going. Get you going. Murderbot in 4 minutes. Prepare the offerings, as design would say. Prepare the offerings. Budweiser 40 ounce was $1. Yeah, you can hit the highway. That's right. $1. $1 and you're good. Any must buy offers expiring today. 91% off Bulenox, 30% off trade day. Buy one, get one, 25% off my funded futures, 40% off Tradeify. Yeah. Buy one, get one, 50% off of Funded Futures Network. So we do have the murder bot coming up though here in about 2-3 minutes. If it closes above, I'll add one more. All right. Murder bot in 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Yeah, MM with everything except for Apex's Myth and Funded Futures Network is MMM. Up or down? I kind of think up, but I could be wrong. I think up, but it could easily go down too. I mean, the murder bot's a weird thing. You got to be prepared for it to just dump against you and just hodl. Just hodl. Waiting for the fair value gap would have been the most precise better entry. Yeah, it could be. Pull back into here. I like the IFVGs though. We swept a little liquidity, not really much, and then got a nice couple of candles, 2 candle push back up. So we'll see how she goes. We'll see how she goes. Minute and a half. Bullish engulfing on the 5-minute too. The low-hanging fruit here would be 71. See if we push through there. All right, we're pushing through. I'm going to take that there on the 1. 38 seconds until the murder bot. 1 minute OB here. Possible 5-minute OB at the murder bot. Working on the Dimbo project 12 hours a day. Damn, invest. That's crazy. Whipsaw candle is possible. 10 seconds. I will protect myself here. Locking in 10. All right, we'll take it. Gave it a chance to go, but I'm not going to give it too much. I think the upside, for sure, that 895 level looks doable, but we did have a pivot point there at 90. ES did tap the next level up, which was 737. do think it hits this 895, but not going to chase it at this point. Next push should get us above 900 probably. $8.95, here we come. Dun, dun. Let's go up to maybe like the 15-minute. Let's see what the next kind of wick up is. We don't really have one. This one that I marked out is on the 1 minute, but this also would be balancing that next little gap up there. Yeah, I don't really see too much holding us down here. Oh, nobody wants the short. Nah. What about on the Nasdaq? Did that leave? Yeah, it did leave equal highs. $55 algo in 2 minutes. Man, ES is just going to the moon, guys. Oh, my dog scared you? Yeah, he loves to bark. Sorry. Close your eyes. I'm going to chase. I'm going to chase for funsies. Man, ES is just going to the moon, guys. This thing's gone. That last failed breakdown of that 99 level is just paying huge. If you took that last 99 failed breakdown, you're up 40 points. $55 right here, right now. 30 seconds. We got $200 away from passing this eval. Here comes the 355. $355. Oh, I just took one micro there, YM. Nothing crazy. I'm not going to pass the eval today. Maybe I could, but not going to try to. But I do like to take these end-of-day scalps just for fun. I don't know why, but I do. Yeah, we should be able to pass this tomorrow. We need 167, 164. So another day like today and we'll have it. Or I could go 10 mini or 10 micros and look for 7.5 points. I could. Shorts didn't work. Yeah. Kind of bull flagging here. Should I do that, guys? Should I go 10 micros and look for 7.5 points? What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Should we do it? Hold on, let's see. 10 micros, 30 ticks. I mean, it seems reasonable. Seems reasonable. YM thinks not. YM, I think so, man. Why not? Gamble, gamble. Say GG with you. Your short was at 40, TJ? Nice. Well, it's still not looking good. I might try it, TJ. Depends on what this final minute candle looks like. What I'll do is I'm going to turn the trade copier off. So this will just be on this account only. And I'll put in a 30 tick stop. So it'll either be at break even or we'll pass. I think that's reasonable. If we decide to do it. We might not. I don't know. I haven't decided yet. And if we do it and we end up break even on the day, then it's YM's fault. Just kidding. Just kidding. Final minute here. Oh, it's pushing down. I'm going to wait for the final 30 seconds, I think. Nope, I'm long. To pass the account, can we do it? Can we do it? Nope. Oh. Well, we gave it the old college try. That's all we can do. Mercedes Benz with the wind goes up. Called Sherm. I don't know who that is. Chuck Sherman? All right, guys, that's going to do it for me. If you want to help support the channel, hit that like button, subscribe. Use my code if you want to use my code. Today is the last day of the month. Like I said, a lot of the deals will be gone after today. So pick up some accounts if you want to. If not, we'll see you tomorrow. Appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you next time.
Nasdaq's a tricky trader, beware the fall. Technical tools may help, but watch your wall. Hirami candles flicker, inversions come and go. Protect your cash, don't let it all blow. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes your cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours. Market warning, listen close and heed. Daily payouts can fool, but they're not what they seem. Be resilient, don't give up, keep your guard tight. Trading isn't for the weak, so stay in the fight. Inversions rise, Hirami fall. Stay cautious, don't let your capital stall. Nasdaq's a nasty gal, don't go full port. She takes her cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash